Hello, I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Slow Truck Transport. Today we're going to go over how to replace the steer hub cover if the plastic gasket or plastic ring starts leaking around the gasket. Gonna need a hubcap cover. Most of these come with a new seal or gasket. They also come with a new cover. Also, you're going to need oil. We use 75/90, or you can find this hub oil. You don't need power tools, but 13mm socket and a gasket scraper to scrape off the old gasket from the cover. To start off, put the gloves on. You're also going to need a drain pan. They make other fancier options for this. Simple one, just take a piece of cardboard, bend in a little bit of a U shape, and get your drain pan ready. Just gotta push that right up in there, just so it catches the oil and it drains down into your bucket. It's not gonna leak right away. Nope. Try not to lose your bolts either, because it does not come with new ones. Now, some of these do have a drain plug on them, as you can see right here on the side. If you have the tool for it, it's an Allen socket tool. If not, you can just go with this method. So, this cover actually looks like it's been leaking right around the outer ring. Just give it a little tap. Break free, make sure your thing's underneath there. Your cap. Put that in your drain bucket. Alright. Now from here, you're going to want to clean off this whole gasket surface. Take your rag if you want, you can throw it right in there. Let your rag catch it now. Cut the bulk of it. Once you get everything all cleaned up, grab your new cover, your new gasket. Okay. You're going to want to line up this the best you can. Try not to let it get oil soaked first. So we're gonna leak a little bit still. Do is you put a little down pressure on it. You're just gonna tighten them up. You're not gonna kill them. Proper torque, I believe, is right around 18 foot-pounds. From there, take your rag, clean up the seam best you can. If you have some sort of a cleaner, brake clean, you're gonna notice you have no oil in there now. You're gonna pop this cover off. You grab your bottle. Depending on how much oil you leaked out is how much it's gonna take. Again, we use 75/90. You can add oil right through here, or if you have to, the tool, you can add it through this side port. Right there, we're right there, right at the bottom of the line there is where you want to be. If you overfill it, these little rubber boots have a vent hole. Oil will leak out of there and make a heck of a mess. And pop your rubber boot back in there, and you should be all set. Now, like on this one, you can see where it's leaking right around this lower ring right here. This gasket around here, or the plastic, can crack where the gasket gets old, and they will start to leak slowly around here. Another one is these, they just pop out. You can top it off through there. Again, they're not real expensive. I believe they're right around $30 or so. And most of these come with a new gasket. Those bolts, on an older unit, I would suggest putting anti-seize on them. That way they come out the following time, because they can get corroded in. If you have any questions with it, feel free to write in the comments, and we will do the best we can at responding to you. Thank you. Bye.